So how then do we bring all of this together? Well, I've shown you some of the specific range of work that we've been involved with, and I hope that I've also mentioned how that work is applicable, and particularly I'd like to now think how these things can be applied directly to meeting the United Nations Millennium Development Goals, or MDGs, which we've heard quite a lot about in the last decade, though unfortunately we're some way far away from actually meeting all of them. Nevertheless, I think that the increase in food production has been enormous over the last 20 years or so, and that's been very largely led by genetics. And the genetics has improved the quality of the crops that we're able to grow. Of course, we've also with better food and with easier ways to grow it, these are all having effects on maternal health, child mortality, and on gender equality, which are among the other key things because women are so heavily involved in agriculture. Our crops have also increased in their environmental sustainability, both through taking up less land to produce the same amount of food, and also through having better genetic resistances that require fewer chemical and other inputs. Altogether then, you've seen how we've been working with a lot of different people in our research program, which has been part of developing a global partnership for development, and I hope that some of the people who will be seeing this video will join us to extend this level of work. So, just to summarise then, I hope that we've talked a little bit about conventional breeding, crossing the best to the best, and hoping for something better. But then we've moved on to talk about superdomestication, decide what's wanted, planning how to get it, and then using the germ pool, whether through mutations or natural variability that's there, in order to get the genes that we need for the crop that we've decided. We can then use crosses, somatic hybrids, or two examples that I showed, in order to transfer these characters and make elite germplasm for farmers to grow. Thank you very much for listening to me again. I'm sorry that I'm not able to join you this week, but I hope that's given you some insight into the work that we're involved with in the molecular cytogenetics group at the University of Leicester, and that we will be able to work with some of you in the future. Thank you.